Some reports are not as standard. If the report has data before the header, columns that need to be split, subheaders, and subtotals, you need to use B2 Design before you can convert it to Excel. In order to operate this non-standard report, we print directly from the ERP system to the B2 Win Suite device. In a few moments, B2 Win Suite is launched. We choose the B2 Design. Then we have two screens. On the left is the original report, and on the right is the design preview. First, we clear everything and define the main header. Changes appear on the right side. There is an item that appears before the main header, so we define it as a floating header. For each floating header, we define the area where it can be found and the action to perform on it: delete, pivot up or down, and whether to repeat the value on every line or have it appear on a single line. We chose to pivot down with single appearance. It now became an additional column on the right side. We want to get rid of the totals here. We define a floating header block for every appearance for the word total and choose the action delete for this block. We can see that the totals are gone from the designed report on the right. The design preview has some additional nice features that we can use. We can change the names of the titles. We can also split columns. There are different types of split. One is split with cut, and another is standard split. In this case, we will use split with cut, so the slash will be removed. In this column, we don't have a delimiter, so we will use a standard split. It split this column into two. Another feature is to assign a data type. We force this column to be of data type text, so leading zeros will not be deleted. We delete unwanted columns. We save this design and exit. This is the Excel report we get when we print the report. We make the design for a single run, and it will work on other runs for the same report. Since we saved the design, anytime this report is printed through B2 Win Suite in Excel format, the design will be picked. Are you ready to get maximum control over your ERP output? Contact us today.